In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send receipts automatically from Stripe in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner or an individual managing online transactions, providing your customers with an easy and automatic receipt system is a great way to maintain professionalism and enhance customer satisfaction. So let's dive right in and streamline your processes with Stripe. First, you'll want to head over to Stripe's website by visiting stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to locate the sign in button in the upper right corner and click on it. This will lead you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready. Accuracy is key here to ensure seamless access. After entering the necessary details, hit the sign in button once more. This should successfully log you into your Stripe dashboard. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, navigate to the settings, which can typically be found featured prominently on the top menu or sidebar areas, depending on your view. Under the account settings section, there is an option labeled Business, which you'll need to click. This area essentially governs the major operational details of your Stripe account, helping you manage aspects like customer communications. Next, within the settings, you'll see a section that says Customer Emails. Click on this to access the email preferences that control automated communications with your customers. Now you are in the crucial part of setting up automatic receipts. To complete this setup, you'll need to activate a couple of toggles. First, locate the toggle for successful payments and enable it. Turning this on ensures that every time a payment is successfully processed through your Stripe account, a receipt will automatically be dispatched to your customer, confirming their transaction. Additionally, it's often equally important to enable the refunds toggle. By doing this, customers will promptly receive a notification whenever a refund is processed, ensuring transparency and reinforcing trust in your business. And that's it. With these settings adjusted, you've now automated the receipt process in your Stripe account, making things easier both for you and your valuable customers. This not only saves time but also adds a layer of professionalism by ensuring clients are well informed at all stages of the transaction. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep exploring additional tips and tricks to optimize your use of Stripe. Until next time.